Hello, welcome back to Official Language Channel. This is Niranjan, teacher in English. Now, in this class, we would like to discuss a brief nutshell about the passive voice. The passive voice without by. The preposition not supposed to use in some few sentences that are to be discussed in this class. See, the preposition is especially the by not supposed to use some verb forms. That's why, and also same time adjectives and nouns also not supposed to follow the so-called preposition by. Another preposition follows according to the verb, according to the noun, according to the adjective. Now we see what are the verb forms that follows the prepositions, or the preposition follows the so-called particular verb forms. In this class we learn surprise. Whenever you find the verb surprise in active voice, we are not supposed to write the preposition by. We have to write at, surprised at, surprised at. For example, the news was surprised at me. I was surprised at the news. The news was surprised at me because this is the verb form. Some verbs, particular verbs that follows the particular prepositions. That's why the so-called preposition by is not supposed to use in the passive voice. The very important point that we have to understand. And now, worried at. I was worried at the problems. I was worried at the problems. Not supposed to write by here at. Worried at. This is the verb. Some verbs follows some prepositions that are different prepositions. Okay. Next, astonished. Astonished. I was astonished at that news. I was astonished at that meeting. At that news. Annoyed. Sometimes we find annoyed with also. Annoyed at. Sometimes we find this verb annoyed with. Annoyed with. Okay. And sometimes we can follow at the preposition follows the verb annoyed. Sometimes. Depends on the situation. Rejoiced at. Rejoiced at, amazed at, knocked at. My brother knocked at the door. Next one, satisfied with. See here the preposition with. Instead of by, we have to follow the preposition with in the passive voice instead of by, based on the verb forms. Satisfied with his attitude. I satisfied with his attitude. Okay. So pleased with. See, find here how these forms are. So-called verb forms in the sense ed. You see ed. You see ed. Here ed. This is the easiest way to find the so-called verb forms. When you find in the last end of the word, that is ed is there. Sometimes en or n. You know that verb forms. These verb forms try to understand. See here, displeased with, disgusted with, offended, covered with. Okay. So this one, quarreled with. Okay, these are the verb forms that follows the particular preposition. Okay. Next, to. So this preposition follows the particular verb. Invited to. My mother invited to the temple. Invited to the temple. Okay, so whenever you find this verb form that follows the particular preposition, not supposed to use by form in passive voice. Preferred, preferred to, preferred, preferred to. Listen to, I listen to music. Listen to music. No. Okay. Raju is known to me. Raju is known to me. Whenever you find the verb in the active voice know or listen, preferred, invited, the verb follows the preposition that is to. And now we see in. Next one, in. The preposition in. Interested in. I was interested in mathematics. I was interested in chemistry. I was interested in English. I was interested in biology. Likewise, we have to follow this preposition, especially in passive voice. Interested is a verb. Concluded in. So interested in, concluded in. This is the preposition which the particular verb. Not only verb forms here, some adjectives follow some prepositions, some nouns follow some preposition, some verb forms follow some preposition. This is very important. Topic which the student should try to understand which verb follows the particular preposition. Then only it is very easy to transfer active voice to passive voice. I think you can understand in spoken English also. So this is a brief nutshell about the verb forms which follows the particular preposition while transforming the passive voice, active voice to passive voice. And now we will go for examples.